So now here you can see I have made changes. I made some changes here. Here, okay. Fix the condition function. This one, okay. Define should continue state. Okay. Last message equals to state in message and append. Sorry, get -1. I mean last message. Okay. If get utter. Okay. This is the function. Get utter. Here I'm going to pass last message and tool call. Okay. And none, and return tools and return end. So here you can see. Now I am going to run this. Okay. After this, build a workflow. So here these are the nodes and edges. These are the nodes and these are the edges. Okay. And this is the conditional edges. And this is for compile the graph and return as a agent or a make alternative graph. So here I need to run this command. Okay. Now I am going to check here. Our lang graph is this. So here this is the human message. I am going to ask the question, hi. What happened? Now you can see, hi, I am happy to chat with you. Or what you like to add about or ask about. Okay, so I can give you response. This is the AI agent, and this is for human message. Now you can ask the new question here. What is 2 plus 2? Okay, so human ask what is 2 plus 2. So this will give you add. This will call add tool and give a equals to 2, b equals to 2. Okay, and the result equals to result of 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, and this is showing you that be called a tool. Okay, like if you ask the simple question, it will give you answer if it does not need any kind of tool call. So it directly give you answer and end. Like if you ask the question, that it will check that it will check that we need to use tool in this question. So yes, it will use tool and give you answer, and it will end after providing you answer. Okay, so it will show you like we already use a tool. Okay, and giving answer in this form. Okay, I hope you got it. How to debug your LLM LangGraph by using LangSmith. This one. Okay, guys. Bye. Take care. If you have any doubt, please do comment.